60 things amazing about dumb people in 60 seconds. They're down to earth and super humble, likely because they're not praised as often as smart people. They're also really nice and easy to talk to. They're friendly with everyone. They don't care if you're smart or not. They only care about your personality and who you are as a person. They won't compare you to other people because they know exactly how that feels. They're relatable. They love to have fun and enjoy life. They don't stress over grades and test scores. They have a great sense of humor. They're good at reading people. They're honest but not too honest. They know the difference between being real with you and pointlessly critiquing every flaw. What they lack in raw intelligence, they make up for in creativity and strong work ethic. While they might not always think things straight, they don't overthink everything or brag about their test scores. They also don't have a big ego and feel the need to belittle others. They tend to be empathetic and value collaboration over competition, happiness over knowledge, friendship over intelligence. They're insanely loyal. If everyone at school turns on you, they'll stick by you and suffer the consequences, even if that's a dumb thing to do. They're easy to impress. They're usually pretty innocent. They're optimistic and full of life. They'd be the friend who you always do stupid stuff with just for fun because they're not afraid to live a little and they won't judge you. They don't dwell on things. They tend to be an open book. If they're upset at you, they'll tell you straight up, rather than keep their emotions bottled up and explode at you for missing their birthday party 5 years ago. Also, dumb people usually aren't even dumb. They're just always compared to people with perfect SAT scores and flawless GPAs. They're resilient. They can handle failure. They don't give up even when the odds are against them. And lastly, their emotional IQ is over 9,000.